Hi, how are we doing? So we have session coming up on Wednesday, that's 17th of January 2024, and the time is 12 noon. That class is on mental health and wellness for parents with CWSN. CWSN is children with special needs. So if you're a parent that has a special needs child, that session is for you to be happening live on Instagram. So, most times it's really very difficult, raising children with special needs. It's also financially demanding and draining, emotionally draining. Sometimes you want to give up. I read the story of a mom who was ready to put up her children for adoption because I think out of 4 children, 3 of them were special needs. I think 3 of them had autism, or 2 had autism, and 1 had Down syndrome. So it's not easy, but we want you to understand that you're not alone. And of course, self-care is very important. You need to care for yourself to be able to care for your child or for any other person. And for those who do not know what special needs are, they are more like neurological issues that a child may develop, which can be neonatal at birth or after birth or at some point of the child growing up. Sometimes some of these children had speech, they had milestones, they had meds, they had fine motor skills and all of that, but maybe at some point they just lost it. So it can affect learning, can affect cognition, that's the cognitive aspect, behavior, coordination, organization, attention, and all of that. So we'll be exploring all of these things. So if you're a special needs mom or dad, sending you lots of hugs and love. Remember to invite your friends, your neighbors, your ancestors, everybody that actually needs this class. Even if you have an enemy that has a child with special needs, invite them. I'll be going live with Gemini GT. She's a big mom doing great, sensitizing parents on her community about autism and some other special needs or neurodivergence issues like that. So see you Wednesday, 17 January, 12 noon on Instagram Live. If you don't have Instagram, download it. Okay, details on the flyer. Thank you.
How much is it?
Bye bye.